Hello and welcome to Violin with Catherine. In this video tutorial, I'm going to show you simply how to play Drunken Sailor on the violin. This tutorial is perfect for early violin players. We are going to use one hand shape in this whole song, and that is what I call the low pattern. So our fingers, our first and second fingers, are going to be together with a space between 2 and 3 and a space between 3 and 4. If you are in fact a viola player, you can also use the exact same method to play Drunken Sailor on the viola. Thanks so much for joining me here at Violin with Catherine. If you are a regular, welcome on back. I'm so glad that you keep coming back. And if you are new here, please make sure you hit the subscribe button as well. And always make sure you hit the like button and let me know in the comments what other songs you would like me to do tutorials on. So in this tutorial, we have mostly just the D and the A strings, but we do have a few notes on the G string, just the third finger on the G string. Make sure you stick around to the end so you can play along with me. But for now, let's jump to the tutorial. Starting on our open A string. A, G, then low 2 on the D, open A, then 3 on the D, 3, and then 3 goes down to the G string, first finger on the D, 3 on the D, open A, 1, low 2, 3, 2, A, 3, 1, D, D, A, and now we have an interesting bowing. This is called a hook stroke. We're going to do a fairly long up bow with a stop and then a shorter up bow. So I'll do that again. So after a long A, we go A, stop, up. Then A, D, and low 2, A, 3, another hook stroke, 3, stop, up, 3, 3 on the G, 1, 3, A, another hook stroke, A, stop, up, A, 1, low 2, 3, 2, A, 3, 1, D, D. Now for the play along. I'm really pleased that you decided to join me here today. I hope you had a lot of fun with that tutorial. Please make sure you leave me a comment down below and hit the like button, and I will catch you next time.